In this video, I will explain how to restore a software wallet that you're unable to decrypt. Reasons for this might be that you've lost your wallet password or lost access to the phone with your Auth ID. In order to restore your wallet, you will need a backup with your root private keys. All users were asked to save a PDF backup of their wallet when the wallet was created. Without the root private keys, there is no way to access and restore the wallet. If you have a digital or PDF backup of your root private keys, then simply delete the wallet from the terminal. Double-click on the wallet and then press delete. You will not be able to back it up without the decryption, so uncheck that box. Check the box that confirms that you've understood the risks of wallet deletion. Then delete it. Now press Create Wallet and then Import Existing. If you're unsure of how to import an existing software wallet, then watch our video on BlockSettle.com. During the importing process, you will then be asked to choose a new encryption method. When the wallet is imported, it will show up in your wallet list again.